100 meter. And there's a sitting area in this here. You can have rest. And look at the view. This is the city view. It's Carfacan. So this is how we spend our weekend. Instead of resting at home, we just make ourselves tired. So we reach 1,100 meters. Oh God, there's more. Adya, pagod na. Pero kaya pa. Kakayanin. Kaya. Adya, with banana. Oh, bulok. Kasi hindi ako kumain bago kami umalis ng bahay. So, be sure na hindi ako mahihilo. I got this one with me. Hindi ko pa kinakain kasi hindi pa naman ako gutom. Look the view. Ito yung basurahan nila dito. So cute. Ayan. So here's the view. Amazing. Amazing. More. May mga kabayan dito. They love hiking as well. See? Ang sawa kong pagod na. Masakit na ang tuhod. Tumatanda na. Long stone. Grabe, ang hirap maging photographer, videographer para sa sarili mo. We're almost on top. 1,200. You okay, buddy? Yeah. It's 1-2. Nakakapagod, but breathtaking siya. Ito, stone, and then the view. But you need to be careful. Be careful. So dito, puro stone na siya. We're almost reaching the top. Diba? Dinig niyo yung hingal ko. Tagal ko rin na hindi nahihingal ng ganito ah. Okay. Then, here again. Meron pa. Ayun pa, ang dami pa. And then another stone. This is kind of risky. If you don't need to watch your step, then you might fall in this stony place. And it's not good. Hindi ko ma-video yung mukha ko kasi I don't wanna be asleep in here. Alright. There you go. So, 1 tree. It's 1-4. Al-Rabi Mount Peak 17, and we reached to the peak of Rabi Mountain. No, not yet. There's more. Sige mo na akong gusin sa sobrang pagod. Pagod, oy. But it's nice. Shoe. Huh? Rest. Rest. There's more. Pinag-iisipan namin kung itutuloy namin kasi. So that's 1,800 meter. Altitude is 330 meter. It's nice. Yay! Because we don't have backpack. See what I did? Nice. That's a simple hack. Tote bag to it. Tote bag, then I make it like backpack. So that hanggang dun ba yung lalakarin namin? Iko-cross namin yun pababa, and then papanik ulit kami papunta dun sa tower na yun. Okay, so far easy naman yung pagbaba. Kumaga makaka-relax yung binte at tuhod, but watch the step again kasi pwede tayong ma-slide. Hindi pang hiking ang aming mga tapatot. And if you will look down, it's scary. See? Baby, your view is nice from here today. Ito yung sea view niya, guys. Oh, diba? While stepping down. Pero matarik. And then hindi siya mabato. So, medyo scary. Risky as well. Then, that's the view. Sea view. Siguro ang ganda ng sunset din eh. It says here, sea view. And there you go. So, pababa kami. Ngayon, may nakita akong store sa baba. Akala ko, store siya. Pero rest area yata. Alam mo, masabi ko lang, maalala ko, pag mga ganitong nagpupunta kami ng Sharjah, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, or even here, Korfakan, maghahanap ka talaga ng chai karak. And akala ko meron sila. Na-excite naman ako pero wala. Sarado. So, masabi ko lang. Kaya pa. Laban pa, laban pa. Yan o, may sea view na naman siya dyan. Alam mo yung pababa, pasigsag-sigsag lang siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Yan. Akala ko, rest area na meron siya mga cafeteria, ganun. But we'll see down, maybe. Yan, makikita mo na yung mga bumababa. Ayan na sila. From the sea view, makikita mo yung ano niya sa hindi masyadong ang lakas ng sinag ng araw yun. So yan. So doon kami galing sa taas. Ayan. 2,500 meter. Almost there. My God, I almost give up. This is the really top. That's me. Me. Mesmerized with the view. Here is the city side, city view. Nice. Here's the mountain view and the sea view. It's currently 9 in the morning. That's Dubai time. So that's people who's coming back. I think they came here early, maybe 5 or 6. So they have seen the sunrise. And today's sunrise is 6:47 in the morning. Which unfortunately we didn't catch it. This is the highest point, 3,000 meters cross. I'm not sure what's the... That's the Rabi Tower. So we finally reached